In this video, I'm going to go over some basics in terms of generating power with an impact weapon. So, areas that I'm using that I can isolate on my body that help me generate power. I'll go starting this way, I'll move my way up. So, number one is the wrist. If this isn't a big heavy crowbar, if it's something I can move with just my wrist, you can actually create quite a bit of power just using the wrist. I wouldn't want to take that shot with just a flick of the wrist. So you can practice developing a little bit of power just extending the wrist. Then we add the elbow. You can already hear audibly, that doesn't make a ton of noise, but this, adding the elbow makes it cut the air. So I certainly wouldn't want to take an elbow plus the wrist shot, strike to my hand, to my head, to any part of my body. Then we add the shoulder. Much more power. We have wrist, elbow, shoulder, and then we can add our whole body. So without much chambering, without much setting up, I can generate a lot of power using those 1, 2, 3, 4 aspects. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, body.